Hi, everybody. My name is Jessica. This will be my third class with Widener's MSW program. I have not taken a math class since college, which was about 14 years ago, and it was a statistics class, and that's about the only thing I remember. Math has never been my strong suit, so I'm pretty nervous about taking this class. This is the only class out of the curriculum that I'm feeling uneasy about. So we'll see how it goes. I'm not sure what would make this fun, but I think seeing how this will be useful to me in real life and in practice will certainly make it more interesting. It's always easier to learn something when it's relevant to your life. I always enjoy reading about the findings of studies and research, but I don't really enjoy reading about the methods or the math. So maybe after taking this class, I'll find that part of it more enjoyable. So what excites me most about this course is learning how to evaluate therapeutic interventions to help me determine the best type of intervention to use with a client. So in my last class, Human Behavior in the Social Environment, we learned dozens of theories, approaches, and interventions, and it was a lot of information. So when the class ended, I really found myself asking, like, where do I begin? So learning how to evaluate research will, I think, help me narrow down what types of theories and interventions I want to incorporate into my work, and then also just to be able to speak intelligently about what is evidence-based and what is not. So that would be it. I'm looking forward to working with you all.